Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Market Misfits. So, Bitcoin ETF has been declared effective by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. So, this is it, January 10th, the date that it happened. New York, Business Wire, the registration statement for BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF, the iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, has been declared effective by the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission, SEC. IBIT seeks to track the price of Bitcoin and is expected to begin trading on NASDAQ on January the 11th. So starting tomorrow, this is going to be interesting. Are they going to be offering it at a discount? That's what I'm sure, that's what I'm thinking. We'll have to wait and see. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Enough said there. By the way, if you're looking to get if you're looking to get information to get plugged into a community faster, we are giving out signals and education at Market Misfits on Facebook. This is a free group. Doesn't cost anything to get in. We're sharing articles and more posts and more content in here faster because it's faster to do posts, obviously, than it is to make a video. We have detailed analysis of the top crypto projects in the top 10. We're giving out signals. Like I said, we have a course here for anybody to come in the guide section. In the file section, we have PDFs, Mark Douglas, all kinds of value in here for free. So just come on over. There's no gimmicks, no anything like that. Nothing weird. Just giving away free stuff. So we do have paid services available. We'll leave a link in the comments, but we are never pressing that on anybody, and we are not going, and you're not going to get pitched or harassed or even asked for your email. So that's for people that come in and decide they're ready after a while, or they come in and say they're ready right away, or they come in and they just want to come in, enjoy the signals and the free education and the market reviews and updates, then that's great. There's a demand there, so we are there to fill that demand. But anyways, you guys, looking at XRP, we finally broke structure here through the 57 on the hour. We have 10 minutes left. We're looking to beat this point right here, 59 cents, basically close into 60 cents on XRP. Right now, you can see this resistance is holding us up. So right here on the edge of this resistance of the 60 and like 60 and a half cents, if you say that right. But something else to stay on the lookout for is if we come out and sweep these highs, or of course, if we drop from here. But I'm trading with some people from the group, with a guy from the group, and he just took profits, moved stop loss to break even. That is what we are doing. What you do is totally up to you. We recommend everyone uses a demo account. But if you're wanting to get in someplace where you can do stuff like that and have assistance and answer questions and things, then just come on over to Market Misfits. You can find us on Twitter and on Facebook. The links will be in the description. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, see what's happening. First, let's look at the dominance. So it's gone down. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So we're seeing these were our scenarios before on the last call that we were looking at. Now I'm seeing what looks like to be an inverse head and shoulders right here. So let me take these off of here real fast. Not going to take a whole lot of time, but we are going to go over a few of the long-term projections that we had put some parameters on. So if you're trading spot or if you're doing whatever you're doing, that's on you. But we're going to give away what our parameters are on this call. So not responsible for losses, not telling anyone to buy or sell anything. This market could turn around in a heartbeat. But what we're looking for right here is an inverse head and shoulders to play out on Bitcoin. We talked about this area before on the last call, and we are looking to beat this yellow line right here. So 46,750. on the hour. So we're looking for a close past that because we want to break this to move forward. But just because if we do break this doesn't mean that this is going to happen. Excuse me, we still have this weekly resistance. It ends right here. So we close up here and then we close and beat this resistance trend and we go and pass 48 into 49, then, you know, we're just taking it one step at a time. It's like you're climbing a ladder. You climb your way up out of here. But let's take the markups off for a second and look at some charts. So here we had our descending channel and then bullish breakout. This was a good sign right here. This is a good sign. We came out and took out these lows. So all that volatility is for a reason. XRP, BTC, we've broken up out of there. So because XRP is moving. No, we just looked at it, but we're still at 60, 61 cents. Wanted to take a look at XLM because we had some parameters we put up on XLM. Let's see what happened. So it's going to go to the weekly. This was a longer term position we're looking at here. So if we're going to go off this all-time high here, I would actually come here. And I'll come here. And then right here. Maybe right here. For taking profits. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. So before these, again, this is considering we don't crash from here. Personally, like we're running only a few positions leveraged because if Bitcoin goes down, then you're going to crash all your stuff everywhere. So that wouldn't be good. But overall on XLM, and we're going to take a look at DOGE. So here we go. Boom. Boom. What we're looking for here is for a third shoulder here on XLM. Price to beat here will be about, give or take, Masamanos 20 cents. But to get an earlier sign at the end of the week, which would be 4 days, let's go to the daily. We want to see a daily close. You want to see a daily close above 13.39 cents. For an earlier position above here. This is our resistance. Okay, so if we got a bullish engulfing down here, you could even ride this on a smaller time frame up on your demos, which I don't know where they do demos on XLM, but if y'all know someplace, let me know. That'd be pretty legit to mess with, you know, to learn with. There's a platform out there that has cryptos that you can trade like that, or, you know, on a demo for testing and purposes and stuff like that. That'd be really cool. But anyways, so long position, what kind of risk to reward would we be looking at here? It did the goofy thing on me again. Let's see. If anybody knows the answer to this riddle, just reach out and holler. Appreciate that. Sometimes I pull this thing up and it just doesn't want to cooperate. So say we break this, we wait for this, say we wait for the daily and we get a break above this, then I probably want my first target to be somewhere before this trend. It doesn't look like a very big space right here, but on a smaller time frame, it is, you know, and again, it's according to like how you're placing your leverage and how you're doing all that stuff. So, you know, That's why it's hard to give someone exact parameters, because just like this is on the daily, what people don't realize a lot of times is the difference between this stop loss looking like this on the daily and having an hourly stop loss, this the same size. They are not the same size. This is a whole lot of risk right here. So you go putting in 10x on KuCoin or something like that on here, then you might not hit, you might liquidate your holdings in your account before that happens. Who knows? I had to measure it out. So take measured moves. Was looking at Cardano earlier. Let's see. Cardano has gone up a ways. Let's check out DOGE. Was looking at DOGE. So there he is, the little DOGE. We're still down quite a way. So we covered this we actually had an intraday signal on this. So, and we're getting pretty close actually. So that would be a short term. That would be a short term signal. Longer term, we would widen that stop loss up a little bit. So probably look here for long term, say if you're trading spot, or if you're, cross margined, whatever the case, maybe something like this. So if we got boom, boom, or I know it wouldn't go like this, but maybe like this. Because this would be an inverse head and shoulders right here if that happened. So, but first, maybe these first three targets. Here's the inverse head and shoulders. Boom. Or it would be if it comes up past here. Boom. Shoulder, head, shoulder. That's if we cross up here. So the price to beat would be 11.5 cents on Dogecoin on the daily for this to play out, or to have a better chance at playing out the long position, this one right here. So if we entered right here, look, it did it again. Just textbook style. You're looking at that's a bad number right there. So let's bring that down a little bit to the all-time high. For Doge, 71 cents. So these parameters will work. So maybe, I mean, could crash too. So, that's why it's good to have Forex and to be doing other stuff and to have your holdings and other things, because if something goes wrong here, then and all you're doing is you got cryptos, then and Bitcoin goes down, you're long on all of them. Well, you're long on too many of them, and you're not trading like Forex or something like that. Then it's not you're not as diverse. So that's why we do offer the training. But so boom, boom, looking for the same type of deal over here on Gala. We're still low over here, believe it or not. So we get boom like this, something like this. Not going to go over a whole lot of these. We'll go over this one and then we'll call it a wrap, put some parameters on it. But come on over to Market Misfits, come scroll through the timeline, because we have a bunch of ideas, trade ideas that we've been putting in there for long-term scenarios in case Bitcoin keeps moving up. If you want some ideas, if you want to learn about what the heck this stuff is, come over. It doesn't cost anything. Giving everything away from free. Don't expect anything from anybody. Just want to have a healthy, successful learning environment. So I'm just going to throw in some parameters up here. We are 3,300% away from the all-time high here, but right here on Gala. So this is one of the reasons why I was looking at Gala. I've always kind of had a feeling about this one. I'm not sure why, but there have been some developments fundamentally in the ecosystem and what they are doing with video. So basically they're doing on the internet, on the blockchain, what's been done on the internet. Place to store, send, video, music, all that stuff. So good risk to reward right here on Gala. Again, not financial advice. For a more solid shot, we have the entry up here. That means it had broken this neckline. But anyways, you guys, that's going to do it for now. If you have any questions, then just reach out and holler, and we will see y'all on the next one. See ya.